Want to see how this becomes a $5,000 jacket? Hit like and subscribe now.
At over 20 feet, the python is carefully guided into the state-of-the-art facility, where our artisans begin the delicate process. The scale here is immense. We move from the living enclosures to the clean room, where our artisans begin the delicate process.
Close-up of skilled hands using a small blade to make a precise incision along the belly of the snake, peeling the skin back like a wet sleeve.
The artisan makes a precise incision, beginning the delicate process of separating the vibrant skin from the muscle tissue. Inside the drum, the python skins undergo a precise chemical transformation, turning organic fibers into durable leather.
We need to ensure maximum yield on this python skin.
The edges are secure, boss. Just finishing the center pins.
This batch looks excellent.
The scanner confirms that tensile strength is optimal. Carefully choosing the center of the belly scales for the jacket back.
A sharp knife slicing through the leather, the sound of cutting through scales.
Folding the luxury jacket into a giant velvet-lined box, placing a certificate of authenticity on top.
From the organic farm to our state-of-the-art facility, our artisans meticulously prepare the finest